Madam and Sir. My name is Julie P. Karangian from Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, Philippines. 32 years of age, college undergraduate, married with 3 sons. Their age, 12 years old, 5 years old, and 3 years old. I've experienced taking care of elderly and I am on-call caregiver. My working experiences are, I worked for 3 years here in the Philippines as a housemaid. I serve 3 family members, 1 couple and 1 newborn baby. My main duties are to take good care of the newborn baby. I do feeding, changing diaper, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing the bottle of the baby. I'll do cooking, cleaning the house, mopping, and some other house chores. I also experienced work in Hong Kong for 4 months. I serve 3 family members, take good care of newborn baby, and 1 couple. My main duties are to take good care of the newborn baby. I'll do changing diaper, feeding the baby, washing clothes, washing bottles of the baby, washing dishes. I'll do cooking, cleaning the house, and some other house chores. And when the baby sleeps, I'll sing a song, lullaby, or sometimes I reading storybook. To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do my job well, to finish my contract, and to follow your rules and regulations. I'm honest, I'm trustworthy, and I am hard working. I'm willing to take good care of newborn baby, children, elderly, or person with disability. Thank you and God bless.